Do not even bother writing the JAM examination this year. If you enrolled for the exam but you are unable to solve this particular question on the board, it came out last year word for word after I predicted a similar question for my students, okay, and they all passed. So you writing the JAM examination, let's see how well you do in attempting this particular question. But first things first, I want you guys writing the JAM examination to go down to the comment section and comment JAM 2026. In the case that you're writing the examination, so that we can stay connected, okay. Now this particular question is on naming of organic chemistry compounds, okay. The question with 2-methyl butene has the structure, and we're having 4 different options on the board. I just wish you guys could draw the options on the board and let's see how well you are going to name it, okay. So first things first, I want you guys to pause the video, attempt the problem, okay, and drop your answers in the comment section, okay. Pause the video, attempt the problem, drop your answers in the comment section. It should not take you up to 15 seconds, okay, to name this particular easy question on the board. So go ahead, smart students, pause the video and attempt this question. I'm guessing you guys have done that by now. Let us now see the trick I'll be using to solve this particular JAM question on the board, okay. Now the compound given is 2-methyl butene. 2-methyl butene. Now the trick I'm going to use, remember in my previous videos we have been naming compounds, we are given a structure and we're asked to name it. In this case, we are given the name or asked to identify the structure. What we are going to do is the reverse case. That is, we are going to begin from the ending, okay. Now the first thing we are going to do, we are going to identify the what now, the parent in which the compound belongs to, that is ene. Take note of that. Ene signifies that the what now, it carries a double bond, that is from the family of what now, alkenes. It comes from the what now, from the family of what now, alkenes, which means the option needs to be what now, carrying a double bond. Any option that does not carry a double bond, we are going to what now, eliminate it. Check option A carrying a double bond, option B the same thing, C and D they are all carrying a double bond, okay. JAM wants to trick you, okay. They think you will fall for it but you will not fall. Why? Because you are following me, okay. Now the next step, 2, not just the double bond, the double bond needs to carry the number what now, 2. That is, it needs to have a position of what now, 2. Why naming this? Let's now check for option A. For option A, if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this one is 5, simply because it is what now, carrying what now, 5 carbons. Here, watch. There's a 2 hiding here closely. JAM is trying to hide this 2. They think you make a mistake by making it small and you not find it, okay. Or they're actually wrong because you find this. Now that you've identified as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, this one is having a 5 parents chain, okay. And then let's now check the next one. For the next one, we're having 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the next one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how this one is the only one carrying 5. But I don't want to skip. I know there's a boot there. Some of you that are smart already know how to name compounds. Okay, you might rush to say, you can just eliminate option A because it is carrying 5. It makes it easier. Yes, I know. Calm down. If you think you know too much, kindly swipe up and go to the next video, okay? Where I'll teach you the one you don't know. But for this one, I'm trying to explain to those persons that do not know it. Okay, now for this particular question, the next one we're going to do, we are still on these 2. We want to look for the double bond that is carrying what now, this 2. Remember, double bond has to what now, carry the smallest number. Don't forget, double bond has to carry the smallest number. So if we are numbering from this side, we're having 1, 2, right? This double bond could carry what now, 1. So it could carry what now, 2. If we're numbering from this side again, we're having 1, 2, right? If we're numbering from this side, we're having 1, 2. The double bond is going to what now, pick the smaller number. Okay, this guy is going to what now, pick the smaller number. And for this one, 1, 2, okay, it's going to what now, pick 1, right? So for this one, it is picking 1, so we cannot pick this one as the answer. For this one, it is picking 2, so this one is still there, we cannot choose yet. Why for this one, it is picking 1? Because why 1 is the smallest number, we cannot pick this one as the answer. For this one, it could either pick what now, 1 or 2, but in this case, 1 is still the smallest number, we cannot pick 1 as the answer. It is only in option C that it is carrying what now, a smaller number of what now, 2. Why? Because it has to choose between 2 and 3 and it has to pick the smaller one. So even without looking at the other options, okay, this one has to be correct. But for the sake of simplicity, we're going to proceed in making sure that this compound name belongs to the what now, to the structure. Okay, now we've identified what now, 2 in for this guy. Let's now proceed. The next one we're having is what now, boot. Boot means it is carrying what now, 4 carbons. Okay, 4 carbon atoms as the parent name. So we're now having 1, 2, 3, 4. That's to confirm that it's actually what now, from the what now, parent name, boot. Okay, and the next we're having 2-methyl. It means it's having a substituent that belongs to or falls under the number while naming it that carries what now, 2. So in this case, check, this is the methyl, the substituent. Okay, 1, 2, so we're having 2. Now the truth is, even if we actually choose to name it in this format, 1, 2, 3, 4, these 2 here will still what now belong to this methyl. But let me not confuse you. Okay, let's go through the normal one. Always pick the straight chain, okay, if it is the longest. So we're now having 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that is boot, and then 2 false order methyl. So the actual name for this compound belongs to the one given in the question. That is what now? 2 methyl, okay, boot 2 in, and that is the correct name. Ladies and gentlemen, it doesn't end here. That is what I always tell you guys. That is why by now you should have subscribed to my YouTube channel, Dr. Flash. If you've not subscribed, rush down to the YouTube channel and then click on your subscribe button so you can subscribe to the channel, and also click on the notification bell so that whenever a new video is being uploaded, you'll be one of the first few persons that will get notified about it. If you're watching this video from YouTube, subscribe to YouTube channel now. If you're watching on TikTok, all you simply have to do is rush down to YouTube, search for Dr. Flash, you see my channel, and then subscribe to it to get more videos on it. Okay, now if you also wish to learn more, you can as well join our online classes for Jamb and WAEC. Here we teach not just English or chemistry, but as well as your other Jamb subject combination that covers both the arts, social sciences, and commercials. Okay, if you have any more questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section. And to register for the classes, like I said, you simply have to do is swipe down to my page and text me on WhatsApp via the phone number you're seeing on my bio, or click on the link that takes you directly to my WhatsApp DM. If you have any more questions, I'll respond to it in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and follow for more.